Hello, everybody. NCWQ here. It is 10:30, 2024, and the time is 4:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have y'all looking at EMSE, and there has been a 6.0 earthquake off the coast of Oregon. It was 10 kilometers deep. It was followed by a 4.3 aftershock that was 8 kilometers deep off the coast of Oregon. Let's go take a look at our data. So we're going to take a look at the data here. We can see that this one has come as 6.1, some 6.0s, 5.8, 5.5, 5.6, 5.9s, 5.8s, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6.0, and 5.9. So let's see if we can take a look at the data that's been brought up for this earthquake here. See what the data might be saying. We can see some 4.3s, 3.6s, some 3s, 5.4 here, 3.6, 3.3s, 3.3s, 6.1s, 5.6, 6.1, 6.1, 4.8, 6.4, 6.2s, 6.5, 5.8, 6.2, 5.5. We got a 6.6. 6.3, 6.0, 6.2, 6.2, 5.9, 6.4, 5.8, 6.1, 6.1, 6.0, 6.2, 6.4. We got a whole bunch of sixes here, another 6.5 here, 6.8, 6.6, 6.0, 6.4. We got 5.9. Some more sixes. So our data here is showing that this was in the range of sixes here. So yes, this was definitely up in the six. So let's see if we've got any news on this earthquake here going on before we go and look at where it is on Google Earth. So Oregon 6.0 earthquake. And then while I'm looking at that, let's go ahead and put it in on Google Earth here. So let's get this earthquake. We'll go ahead and stick it into Google Earth. And I have not looked at the location of this earthquake yet. So while I'm looking for news on this earthquake, we can go ahead and see where it's located on Google Earth here. It hit 173 miles west of Bandon. So we can see where this earthquake is at. This hit on the Oceanic Transform Fault, which is also the Juan de Fuca transform boundary. You can see that this area here moves at 49 millimeters per year. So this area here moves towards the east. This is the Gorda Ridges down here. So I'm going to pull up some information here. And this says it's the third largest earthquake reported off Oregon coast by the U.S. Geological Survey in the past 10 years. 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck about 173 miles off Central Oregon coast Wednesday. That's according to the U.S. Geological Survey. A tsunami is not expected according to the U.S. National Tsunami Warning System. It's the third largest earthquake reported off Oregon coast by the USGS in the past 10 years. And those would be August 29, 2019 was a 6.3 magnitude. August 22nd, 2018, there was a 6.2. August 30th, 2024, there was a 6.0. September 5th, 2019, there was a 5.9. June 4th, 2021, there was a 5.9. December 7th, 2021, there was a 5.8. December 28th, 2020, there was a 5.7. March 26, 2024, there was a 5.6. January 28th, 2018, there was a 5.5. And November 27, 2016, there was a 5.5. The USGS said Wednesday's earthquake happened west of Bandon about 1:19 p.m. with a depth of 6.2 miles. As of 1:45 p.m. Wednesday, 29 people have reported feeling this earthquake. So let's see here. Got any more information? Um, the epicenter was about 279 kilometers west-northwest of Bend, Oregon. The tremor occurred at a depth of 10 kilometers or 6 miles, and a light to medium shaking was probably felt throughout parts of western Oregon and North California. There have been no initial reports of damage or casualties as a result of the earthquake. However, significant damage is unlikely due to the offshore nature of the quake. It could take several hours until authorities can conduct comprehensive damage assessment, especially in remote areas. Moderate to light aftershocks are likely over the coming days. The event has not prompted any tsunami advisories. Officials may temporarily shut down transportation infrastructure in the tremor zone to check for damage. Minor disruption could occur during shutdowns, but service will likely resume quickly if no damage is found. And what else we got? After that earthquake, there was also an aftershock. Um, Anyways, that's the update so far. Thank God there's no damage. Hopefully that will be the only big one for now. As we can see, there has been an aftershock. After this earthquake, there has been a 4.3. So this one was a shallow earthquake, and so was the 4.3. Hopefully that will be the only one. And this is hopefully not a foreshock of any kind. Anyways, you guys, please be good to yourselves. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. And much love. Remember to tell someone that you love them.